Welcome to, 7.1, let's call it. Let's get this fixed. At the end of the last episode, we stopped on a problem with the game logic not working properly. I've added in our main game an AND to M window because we only wanted the address, and I've noticed that it was not really matching up very well with this part here. So I popped that in. That just makes things work there. Now, main game, what was the error I made? Look at it. Look at it. I put a new game logic in before the player had been made, which is the initialized graphics. If we go and have a look at GFX, which is in rendering. Here we go. We don't have the player there. We have the player in initialized graphics. So we can't use the player, the map, the goal, or anything before that happens. They don't exist. And that's the problem that we had. So what we're going to do is take that line out of there and add, I've already typed it, replace it here. Yeah. So now we have initialized graphics, then we have the game logic being set up, then we can initialize the game logic. Wow. Was that it, you say? Yeah, that was it. I have looked at game logic itself because of this error, and I have thought about those couple of bits in the game logic, or was it? No, I think it was in move actually. Yeah, this M segments business. I've already tagged it to be removed, but the line that was given was the error was this one. Let's pop that back in. I put it in the first place, and I used current segments, didn't I? I think it was. Instead of the 0. So I'm putting it exactly back to what we had originally. That was it. Now, what I'm going to do is a clean build. So clean solution and build. Let's see if what I think is going to happen happens, because I'm trying to show you an error, but not that error of where we place things. My bad, really. So we generated the code with the code in the right place this time. Let's see what happens, shall we? Left key true. Yeah, left key's working. Good. I've just got that in to remind me that the left key's working. I do apologise for that. What happens though here? Look at that speed. Right key. Can you see what's happening? The computer is running at such a speed, about 1,500 frames a second or so. It's really making this unusable. Look, we can't go left and right using that. And that was what I wanted to show you. That's the error. So what we've done is right up to this point. So just move that one line and put an ampersand sign in. I'll take this out now. That's that line there. Just get rid of you. You're not wanted. But you can see what the error is now that I was trying to show you. This is way too fast. Our program is way too fast for using direct key presses like that. We are going to have to make it indirect. Sorry, that was me messing about, just trying trues and falses. I'll address M segments at a later stage, I think. Not at this stage, but you can see it all runs now. And just hold my hand up, say sorry, my bad, main game.h, don't forget the ampersand, main game, don't forget to move your game logic to after initialize graphics, or it won't work. That's it, everything else is good to go. Literally, very good to go. We have now completed main game by accident. So that's done. Main game has been completed. We now have Move Snake number 1 completed. That shows the error. And we now have Game Logic 1 with a fix completed. What we're going to be doing in our next episode then is moving back towards completing all of these other bits and pieces here. I've shown you what not to do, but we're going to use this anyway, so I'll show you what you can do to stop it from happening. We'll do that first, and then we'll do collision, grow, and final movement next episode. Excellent. So I've finally made the mistake I wanted to make, and I've shown you it properly. Well done, Blades. What a journey. It took me a cup of coffee and a couple of hours playing a game to work that one out. So, next it will be Move Snake number 2, or hash 2. Until then, Happy New Year, because having a look at my clock now, this year we have, what, 2.75 hours left of, so Happy New Year for 2019. And if you're watching this in the future, I hope you had a good 2019, and if you didn't, it was because you didn't follow my examples here on making mistakes and being human. So yeah, be human out there. Be human to yourself, be human to other people, make mistakes, hold your hand up, don't worry about it. But above all, take care and have fun.